we have our blank file here, and we'll start writing our data section. In this section, we need to define all the data that we'll be using throughout our application or code. So first, I use this label MSG for our message, and we need to define our message using one of these data type allocation mnemotechnics. So we'll be defining a string, so we'll use the db keyword, and we'll write our message, classic hello world. Now we need also the length of our message. We'll use this $sign operator that gives us the address of this line minus the address of the first byte in our message. So it gives us the amount of bytes used by our hello world message. Now we'll write the text section where all the code is gonna be. We'll define globally the start function, so the linker knows where to start the program, and we'll start the code. Now we'll be using the write syscall for this, and I have the reference right here. We see that is the number 1 syscall, and we need to put all these arguments in their corresponding registers. So first, in the racks register, we need to move the number of the syscall, that's 1, and then in this register we need to put the file descriptor. In this case, we'll search for the file descriptor number for stdout with grep stdout file. Now we see it's defined on unistd as 1. So we'll write that in this register. Now we need a pointer to our message in this register. So we'll move to this register the pointer of this message. And finally we need the count, the number of bytes, into this RDX register, and we're gonna dereference this address. Now we have everything we need to make the syscall, so we'll do syscall. Right now this will print hello world in console, and now we need to end to exit. So to exit we need to use a different syscall. So we can see the number of this syscall in we can use grep for this. Sysexit it's called in unistd 64.h. Okay, 64.h. Okay. Well, it's defined as like that, and it has number 60. So now, well, if we go to the reference in here, we can see that syscall number 60, sysexit. We only need one argument, the error code, in, well, the first register that we used, this. So we'll move first the syscall number 60, and then we'll move the exit code to 0 because we didn't have any errors, and make the syscall. Now we'll return to where we were, and We'll compile, well, first assemble it using NASM 64 with hello world, no, hello world.asm. It seems that I didn't write it well. Let's go. Oh yes, forgot. Let me write this. Okay, now it should work as hello world.asm, right? And now we'll link it like that. .o. And if everything went right, we should have hello world in there.